Good afternoon, YouTubers. Brian Paragamian, Senior Trader and Co-Founder, ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com. We're about 44 minutes before the close of trade. I'm going to keep this fairly short here, if I can. I sometimes ramble. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is pushing above 10,000 right now, 10,005 up 134 points on the session. Again, does it really matter? I don't think so. It only matters in the fact that we get a weekly close above 99.18. It opens the door to 10,300. Beyond that, it's just numbers. It's nothing else other than numbers. Most people aren't healed up here at 10,000, and if the Dow goes to 14,000, will most people be healed at 14,000? The answer is probably no. Look, here at ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com, all we care about is identifying technical setups, whether it be on the dailies, whether it be on the weeklies, whether it be on the monthlies, or whether it be intraday for day trades. That's all we look to do here, and we continue to do this here very effectively. If you're not making money in the stock market, all I can say to you is go to our site, take advantage of that 1 week free trial. I don't know why you wouldn't. I don't know why you come here, watch these videos, and then don't act on it. It's as simple as that. Now, if you don't have time to do day trading, it doesn't matter. We have swing trade alerts. Take a look at what's been taking place with some of the stocks we talked about. Last night we talked about Twin Disc, the stock ripping to the upside here today now. It's up over $14.26 right now, up $1.15. Take a look at Lithium Motors, up 78 cents, $12.14. Every stock doesn't have to go up just because the stock market's going up. We know that because we're long St. Jude Medical for a swing trade. 33.14, down 13 cents. I continue to still like St. Jude Medical, running our stops down at the 32.25 area. Point I'm making is you have to identify the setups and know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, you're simply throwing darts. Yeah, you can hit a home run every once in a while and get a bullseye, but that will run out, and guess what happens? And then you find yourself stuck in the mud saying, geez, what have I done here? I don't want you to fall into that trap. Go to our site, take advantage of that 1 week free trial, and start making money the old-fashioned way. You earn it. You do your homework, you become educated, and you make money on a consistent basis. Today, First Solar, take a look at it on an intraday basis. Down around 147 for a double bottom, started rallying up, set up a nice flag formation, busted the downtrend line, and rallied up to 154 smartly. Guess what? We took several points out of that move up to 154. Stock is trading higher now in the session, but it's trading 155.31, actually up for almost $1 here. I don't care. We're looking there to scalp the trade. We did exactly what we wanted. Take a look at BUCY, Bucyrus. Stock hit a nice formation here, consolidated up in the 33.80 area, busted on out. We took another 65 cents out of that there. That's what we do here at ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com. We also get into swing trades where we sit overnight or we sit on them for several days or maybe several weeks, quite potentially depending upon the situation and where our stops are placed. But again, if you're not making money on a consistent basis, my gosh, go to our site, take advantage of the free trial. We're here to help you. That's what we're here to do. One other trade that I want to talk about is Human Genome Sciences. Take a look at that. 1909 up 68 cents. Not a big deal. I'm not in it just yet. I've been talking about this here for over a week now that I want to look for the proper entry price. I like seeing the fact that a little bit more volume is coming into the stock here than what's traded here in the last week or so. So it's starting to pique my interest a little bit more. Ideally, I'd like to see the stock pull back. Then I want to look to get long it. But again, I haven't done anything just yet. I will share with you one idea that I did initiate today, and that's United Airlines. The stock's trading $7.80 right now, up 51 cents on the day. I think that stock is going to move higher. It broke out of a nice trend here today above the $7.59 area. Now it looks like it's going to move back up towards the $8 and what does it look like here? Probably around the $8.50 area. Once it gets through $8.50, there's a gap on it up around the $8.80 area. That's where I think it's going. Ultimately, I think the stock's going above $10. Not all in one day, obviously, but I think that's where it's headed. Again, we now own United Airlines as a swing trade position. Our risk-reward ratio on that is absolutely astronomical. We've got a 4-to-1 risk-reward ratio based on our entry price and based on our objective on the stock. So again, you know what? It's all about timing the market, knowing what you're doing. And if you don't know what you're doing, go to our site, take advantage of our 1 week free trial. One other thing I do want to make mention is St. Jude Medical. Everything doesn't go up in an up market. Obviously, St. Jude Medical is still trading down 13 cents on the day at 33.14. I remain bullish that stock, even though they came out and gave poor guidance. They haven't reported earnings yet, but they pre-announced. Nothing looks good there. That's why I like it. The stock's been holding in here. 32.25 is our stop. We're long from the 33.50 area. I continue to think the stock's going to break itself out up to the upside. You want to start getting a move back through the 30 what was it, the 34 or 46 area, and that's going to send the stock back on up towards the 36.5, 37 area, where I ultimately think it's going. I don't have anything else to add other than if you're not making money in this market, take advantage of our 1-week free trial. Have yourself a great afternoon. And one other thing that I can say is if you are a day trader or a swing trader, please use stops. They're there to protect you, and it takes all the emotion out of trading. Have a great afternoon. We'll be back, of course, tomorrow morning tomorrow with some more commentary. Thanks for watching.